welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Sabrina and I am a 14-year-old making videos. As you guys saw by the title, today I'm going to be doing a vlog slash follow me around for a day, just a day in my life, that type of thing. So today's agenda consists of laundry, cleaning the bathroom, doing some schoolwork, doing my routines like I usually do, and yeah. I'm in class right now, so let's get some stuff done. Okay, I kind of gave up in like half of that assignment, but you know what? I turned one in and I started doing the other one, so that's progress. I will catch in with you guys once I am eating lunch, which won't probably be for another 2 hours. So see you guys at 12 o'clock p.m. You guys, I totally forgot I need to take my dogs out. Say hi, puppies. No? Okay. Guys, it's 11:40, but I was so hungry I literally couldn't wait. So for lunch today we're having some, a little bit of ramen, and then for drink, this is gonna sound and look really weird, ramen and hot cocoa. I was just craving hot cocoa and I wanted ramen, so I'm gonna have it together. If I throw up, I throw up. I don't care, at least I'm enjoying my meal. So I took it wasn't even like a nap. I really just laid down with my doggy. So it's about 12:40 right now, and I realized, you know what, instead of laying in bed and literally not doing anything, I'm gonna get some of the stuff done that I planned on doing today, which is laundry, cleaning, that type of stuff. So I want to put my laundry in the washing machine, and then after that I will start cleaning my room and whatnot. It doesn't really need a deep clean, it just needs a little bit of organization, considering that a bunch of stuff is just all over the place. And yeah, I had to clean my bathroom, especially my shower. I have to clean that. I have like an hour to do all this, so I think I'll be good. After I clean everything, then I can chill, but as of right now I need to get some stuff done. Alright guys, I'm back. It's around 3:10 and I have dinner in front of me. You're probably wondering, what the hell is she eating dinner at 3 p.m.? I live in a Hispanic household, meaning that we have dinner around 3, 4, or 5. I can't really control the time I eat, so it's either I eat now or I don't eat at all, pretty much. So we got nice, look at this seasoned chicken. Can we just take a minute to just look at this chicken? I'm just gonna eat, we're gonna chill. When the sun goes down, I'm gonna take a shower and we'll just do what we usually do, and I'll show you guys. Hey guys, it's many hours after I filmed the last part of this video. I just finished doing laundry. I folded up my clothes, I put them really nice and neat where they belong. The last thing I need to do for the night is I need to take out my trash, take a shower, and do my skincare. And I'll see you guys after I'm done with my shower. Hey guys, I'm back from the shower, and I'm just gonna go through like my after shower slash hygiene slash skincare routine. I'm gonna show you guys what I used in the shower first today. I only used 3 products, well 4 if you consider a loofah. But for my moisturizer, for my cleanser, I used the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser for normal to dry skin on my skin because it works best. And for body soap, I also used Olay and the scent Birch Water and Lavender. And before I used that body wash, I used a regular soap bar, like a Dove soap bar. So I recommend you use a Dove soap bar first and then you go in with your body wash. It just makes you feel 10 times cleaner. I also use this in the shower for, it's the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Hemp Peppermint Pure Castle Soap. We're gonna get started with the body care, body after shower care. So I already moisturized, but I have yet to apply my deodorant and my perfume. So might as well just do it now, you know. And this is like the only deodorant that has helped me with like bad odor, because I used to have really bad odor underneath my armpits, and ever since I discovered that, I haven't really gotten any. This perfume is the Sunset Glow by Bath and Body Works, and I'm just gonna generously put a good amount on my legs, my arms, my neck. Just might as well just spray it all around. So this is right out of the shower skin that we're dealing with. I'm just gonna take my jade roller and I'm just gonna go outward. I highly recommend you guys get a jade roller if you really want like a cooling sensation on your skin. This kind of feels like you're rubbing ice on your skin, but like in a good way. Okay, now that my face is rolled, it kind of looks a little bit red in real life, but on the camera it looks fine. I look a little pale on the camera, which is kind of weird. I'm gonna go in with my CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for my nighttime moisturizer. Now that that's in, I'm just gonna do a little bit more jade rolling. Alrighty. Now the last step to this after shower routine is to just put my hair in a ponytail so my curls don't get super squished when I sleep. Alright guys, now let's go down to the oral hygiene. I'm just gonna turn on the fans because I literally cannot sleep without a fan on. I'm gonna turn my LED lights on and I'm gonna put on some chapstick. So I usually get like a midnight snack or something to snack on, like if I'm hungry during the night, but I usually have some sort of drink next to me, like water, juice, anything pretty much. But that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. If you haven't already, make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias to be notified about future videos and to interact with me if you want to. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.